Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a Firestone gas station or tire store tire retail sign. You can see a tire would sit in there. These are really quite cool. You can see it's on both sides. If you really wanted a nice impact for your gas and oil display, you stick a tire in that, and that's a lot of bang for the dollar. So again, if you're into vintage signs, gas and oil, Firestone in general, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.